shoot that.
Oh.
There's a house right back here.
Woo!
Yeah, I need him down the hill.
Woo! Woo! Okay.
There's still one over here somewhere.
There's the second one. I want to pass you my backpack. Is that okay? There's two of them. Do you see them?
I see one of them.
They're right next to each other.
Yeah, I see them.
I'm on that one, but I don't
know if I can shoot through all that mess.
You see them? The second tree that's broke off, right above it, to the right of it. I mean, literally right above it. They're right near. If you shot both of them right now, I bet.
Want me to take a shot?
I mean, it's big if you want to. Do we play another sound or not?
Yeah, let's see if we can get them down a little.
Here they come.
Whoop! Whoop! Whoop!
On the front one.
Whoop! Whoop!
Shoot both, or whichever one. Shoot the second one. Right there below the tree, right below the creek, right where the other one's laying. It's coming up back at us. See it?
I think I'm missing.
There's another one right here.
Not where?
Did you hear that dog right there? Let's move. Turn around. I'm just gonna stand out here. Right there he is.
Alright folks, here we are again. Finally broke my little bit of a dry streak here. Come out, got this coyote at a new farm. Had a friend of mine at work mentioned it had some issues and had a few sickness and some things that delayed us some, but we finally got out here and I think we found a pretty good spot. We had what, three or four coyotes come in today. Had a couple good opportunities with not the best of backdrop for a shot, and we decided not to take that, but Chase worked some magic on the call, brought them in close in spots we can get a good shot with those sounds.
Yeah, KG Cottontail, it brought it in, but it was really, really bad at our backs to our right shoulders. It was probably a couple minutes, or even a minute within KG Cottontail. Once it wouldn't stop or commit since we couldn't shoot, I flipped over broke pups. That's when the second one came out, and they were just hung up. They weren't willing to commit. Once they actually got back up on the hill, and we could see them, I flipped a Boonroo beat down, 16 weeks. Really another great trigger style we like, kind of older pup. And as soon as I flipped it, and they immediately triggered. It was coming right out in front of us. Dan was able to put the shot on this one.
Missed one on the second dog that I should have had, but
it happens.
By that point, I was pretty worked up, so I don't have much excuse other than that.
Yep.
But still a great hunt. Like I said, I think we've got a lot of good to go here. So thanks for watching.